Hey there, in this video, we're going to talk about the new field sizing property in CSS and how the cool thing is you can add this one property to your input fields and it will automatically grow or shrink to fit the content inside. So the first thing is let me go into preview mode so you can see the default behavior. So I already went ahead and copied a super long message into my clipboard. So I go into my message box and type in that message. You can see that we're going to get some scroll bars on the right hand side. And not that there's anything wrong with that, but it'd be pretty cool if the text box would grow automatically based on the text we have inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to regular designer mode and I'm going to duplicate this form field wrapper that has the label and input. So I'm just do Command D. Then on the second message box, I'm just going to add, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add the combo class of field sizing. And now that I have the additional combo class added, I'm going to scroll down to the custom properties and I'm going to add a custom property of field sizing. And it accepts two values. One is fixed, and fixed is the default, and then it has content. And content is the one we want to have it automatically expand based on content. So I'm going to type in content. And then if I go back to preview, I can once again paste in my super long message, and we can see that the message box has automatically expanded to fit the content. So we go into our settings, we can see that my form has a couple of input types. We have a plain or text and then email, and then our message boxes are plain text as well. Now this currently works on text or plain inputs, number, email, file, password, search, telephone, and URL. So as long as the input types is one of those, this is going to work. And if we take a look at the can I use, it's current as of June 2026. It's currently works across the latest devices and major browsers. So if there's a browser you're not sure of, always check the can I use. But the latest devices and major browsers has support for field sizing. So there you go, a quick one-line CSS tip to help automatically grow or shrink the input fields. Hope this helps in your project. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.